If you're somebody that is an adrenaline junkie that loves to climb to the highest peaks, or maybe you're the type that likes to get one with nature and be able to see all the beauty that the world has to offer, then there have probably been more than enough times that you wish you would have had a camera on your person so as to capture that super sweet view from the top, or the super cute bunnies running along the walking path. The problem is though, is that having a professional camera that actually shoots amazing photos and videos are, at times, way too out of our price range, leaving you scratching your head and asking, are there any pro action cameras that won't break my bank? Well, you're in luck, because today we're going to be going over the top 3 most popular cheap action cameras that will still give you fantastic high quality videos and pictures while doing your thing, but without making you pay an arm and a leg for them. Starting off on our list today, we've got the Akaso EK7000. The Akaso EK7000 action camera features 3 different recording settings which you can capture stunning things at, and that's 4K at 30 FPS, 2.7K at 30 FPS, and 1080p at 60 FPS. You can now shoot crisp and clear video at high quality that will leave you speechless at just how amazing it all looks. You can control the action camera from a distance by using the included splash-proof remote watch, which will allow you to switch between video and photo modes with ease by pressing the button right on the remote. Because when you are as active as you probably will be with this action camera, you don't have the time to stop and change any settings every single time. You need a way to change things on the fly, and that's exactly what the Akaso remote does. Not to mention that the Akaso EK7000 action camera is Wi-Fi enabled, so that way you can connect the action camera to your smartphone or tablet and give you the chance to turn your phone or tablet into a mobile editing bay. The app helps to preview and offload your content and bring great convenience to social media sharing, giving you the opportunity to instantly post that amazing view of the rolling hills or the cute animals right from the convenience of the app. Feel like taking a dive under the waves? Well, this underwater camera comes with a waterproof case that allows you to dive for up to 100 feet or 30 meters, all while giving you crystal clear views to see the fish or other underwater life with ease. This Akaso EK7000 is ideal for outdoor activities like diving, swimming, water skiing, drifting, surfing, and more. And thanks to the Akaso EK7000's 170-degree wide-angle lens, you're going to be able to capture more wide-angle views than any other action camera on the market. With this viewing angle, it can capture more expansive fields of view to give you spectacular shots that will make you the envy of your friends and family. Plus, the Akaso EK7000 offers various shooting modes like loop recording, burst photo, and time-lapse, meaning that you can mount this action camera wherever and shoot whatever kind of pictures and videos you like, all on one camera. By the way, today's sponsor is Total AV. Total AV is consistently the top choice to protect all of your household devices, computers, laptops, and smartphones from any viruses, malware, and hackers. You can check this description for the full review, along with an exclusive 80% discount if you're interested. Next up on the docket, we've got the Campark 4K. The Campark ATC74A professional action camera comes with multiple cameras and video options at 4K 30fps, 2.7, 180p, and 720p, as well as taking amazing photos at 20 megapixels, 16, 12, or 8, providing high quality pictures and videos for you to be able to get the most out of your adventures. Plus, thanks to its built-in advanced electronic image stabilization, you will be getting solid and steady video with each and every shot, keeping your footage stable and giving you an excellent experience in capturing fast-moving objects is what really does set the Campark 4K apart from so many other cheap action cameras. Something that I also personally find neat about the Campark 4K as well is that it comes with its own external microphone with which you can record clear audio and video, which is very suitable for outdoor use. You can use an external microphone to clearly record sounds that can't be picked up by the built-in microphone, giving every video that you record that perfect all-round experience. And thanks to the 2.4G wireless wrist remote control, you can easily control the camera while out and about on the go. Just press the red button to be able to take a photo and the gray button to record video. The Campark 4K can even be used as an underwater camera that can connect with your phone via Wi-Fi and allow you to share your videos and photos to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or whatever your fave social media is. Thinking about taking a quick dive under the blue waters? Well, with the included waterproof camera, it allows you to dive up to 40 meters or 131 feet in depth, which is perfect for outdoor sports like skiing, snorkeling, swimming, and diving. Oh, and talk about some wide shots. Because the Campark 4K can shoot up to 170 degrees of ultra-wide angle with ease, and be able to capture your fantastic moments without losing any detail. Also, I just want to be able to mention that the Campark 4K does come with various modes, such as time-lapse, loop recording, and slow motion mode that will allow you to catch any moments that you want in any format you want. The battery time is fantastic in this thing too, as you can get up to 90 minutes for just one battery charge, and be able to go from dead to full charge in just 2 hours, giving you plenty of time to keep going on and going on. Running down our list of the most popular cheap action cameras, we have the Apexcam Action Camera 4K. Coming in with tons of video recording options, the Apexcam Action Camera 4K now captures the world in any way you like. There's 4K 30fps, 2.7 at 30fps, 1080p at 60fps, 1080p at 30fps, 720 at 60fps, and 720 at 120fps. With a 16 megapixel resolution image and a 170 degree super wide angle, you'll be able to capture and share your world in fantastic resolution. With the remote control on your wrist, you can install the action camera on any helmet or a place where it can't be touched. The remote control wireless range is 15 meters or up to 50 feet, giving you the chance to capture anything and everything without having to constantly be touching it to adjust the settings. Use the integrated app to be able to keep and share your exciting moments on your phone or tablet, and with a Wi-Fi signal of up to 10 meters or 30 feet, you can now edit on the fly like a real editing pro. Not to mention that the 2.0 LCD HD display allows you to preview what you just shot anytime and anywhere. Equipped with a durable IP68 waterproof sleeve and allowing you to dive in waters of up to 40 meters, you can now go swimming, diving, rafting, and surfing, and any other water sports you want. This underwater camera is also equipped with 2 rechargeable 1050 mAh batteries. And the battery charger can hold up to 2 batteries at the same time, making it very convenient. The Apexcam Action Camera 4K even has loop recording, slow motion photography, driving mode, image flipping, time-lapse photos, exposure adjustment, white balance adjustment, and all that and more, making it where you can take the camera to a variety of environments and use it regardless of the conditions. So, there you have it, folks. Those are our top 3 picks for the most popular cheap action cameras on the market. Which one do you want to go out and grab for your next big adventure? And are there any cheap action cameras that we missed that you think should have been on the list? Let us know in the comment section down below, and if you did enjoy the video, then please give us a big thumbs up if you like what we do, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing reviews and content just like this. Not to mention that if you want to grab yourself any of the products that we covered in today's video, you can check them out down in the description below if you want to pick them up. Plus, if you want to check out more amazing product reviews by us, then go ahead and click on one of these videos here to be able to learn more.